What's good, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with this video, and I'm going to be talking to y'all about some new merchandise that I just got. Of course, I'm going to be talking to y'all about some new durags, man. New durags have just shipped to me. They just came to me, and I really want to talk about these, man, because they're dope. I like them. I love them. Stay tuned. So of course, before we get started, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy's channel. All the information is going to be down in the description below, so make sure you definitely do that because I got more videos coming. Let's get it. Now, of course, it's been a while since I've done my last video. Been probably a couple of weeks, and as you can see, I'm sitting here talking to y'all, doing this on the camera or whatever. I also do photography on the side too, so a lot of time my time from y'all, my time from all of you, gets taken away between family, friends, job, and also doing landscape photography, doing photography for other people with photo shoots and things like that. A lot of times I really get tied up with that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm here now. I'm coming out with this video. Gonna be telling y'all about these dope rags that I just got in the mail. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Let's go. So the big question is gonna be, of course, after I say everything, I talk about these do-rags and stuff like that, the first thing you're gonna want to know is, where the hell do I get the do-rags? HB3, where do you get the do-rags from? Who do you get the do-rags from? Like, where do I go? What website? Blase. Here's the thing, people. I'm going to tell y'all who to contact, and I'm going to put their information down in the description. Please do not ask. Watch the video. Watch this video, because I'm going to put their information down in the description, okay? This guy's name is B-Web. This guy's name is B-Web. B-W-E-B-B. Or B or whatever, B-Web. His information is, once again, I'm saying this for the third or fourth time, his information is going to be down in the description below on how to get these do-rags. It is from him. It's from this guy. Big shout outs to that man B-Web, man. Really appreciate you sending me these dope rags. And for y'all that's thinking I'm doing this video and I got these for free, no, I did not. I paid for this stuff. So ain't no freebies around here. I saw the rags. I hit him up. I said, hey, let me get at you. How much for the rags? He gave me the price. Boom, boom. Got the rags. Simple as that. So I'm just giving y'all, making sure I let my subscribers, making sure I let the people know, where to get a dope, silky, nice do-rag. But I'm gonna give some information about them because I've been wearing these do-rags maybe about a couple of weeks now, and I'm loving how they feel. So I have 3 of them right here and 1 on my head. So basically, here are the do-rags right here. They come in these little bags, which I thought was pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Like when you order a do-rag and when you go get a do-rag, you never expect to have it in packaging like this. You know what I'm saying? So it got its own little individual, bag. I like that. I like that. That tells me that's a good sign in the beginning. So of course, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out. I'm gonna take the purple one out. I love that purple. You know what I'm saying? So as I'm taking it out, I'm gonna let you see it. So this is the do-rag right here, and got a pretty big. It's pretty big here. No, I'm kind of going crazy with it, but see if it'll. There we go. There we go. So as you can see, as I got it closed up on here, it really doesn't feel like a polyester do-rag. It feels more like a silky type do-rag. It feels extremely silky, people. This does not feel polyester. That is my first good positive sign of these do-rags. It does not feel polyester. It feels extremely silky. The second thing I noticed, watch this. Watch this, people. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It is still going. Yes. These do-rag strings are extremely long. There are extremely long do-rag strings. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if you a waver or someone who just wears do-rags, someone who wants to make do-rags, anything like that, one of the biggest attributes you can give to a do-rag is having long do-rag strings. I'm telling you, long do-rag strings are really important to a waver or someone who wears a do-rag. They have to be long. A lot of us have big ass heads, so having a big ass head, we gotta have long do-rag strings, man. And they wide too. Like these do-rag strings are extremely wide. If you look at that, like, just let me put that, see if it'll focus. There we go. Do-rag strings are pretty wide. So I love that. Another thing that I like about this do-rag is the stitching. The stitching is pretty thick, but let me say this. The main thing I like about the do-rag, besides it feeling silky, it feels tough and strong. This do-rag is tough and strong, people. Like, if you tighten up on your do-rag a little bit just to try to get that compression, which I wouldn't recommend doing, but if you tighten up, if you need to or whatever, this is not going to, you know, stretch up and mess up on you. You know what I'm saying? There's other do-rags out there that are really famous for doing that. There's a do-rag called Red by Kiss. They've gotten better a little bit, but their rags are so thin. The rags are so thin that they tend to just, the stitching just stretches and just rips off. So you want a thick do-rag that's going to be able to withstand, you know, stretching and stuff like that. So I do like that. I really do like that about this do-rag. The stitching I think could be a little bit better, but overall I feel like it's a durable do-rag. It's very durable. Durable. I feel it's very durable. If I had to give this do-rag on a scale to 1 to 10, I'm going to give this do-rag probably a 9.3. Give it a 9.3. The reason why I'm gonna give it a 9.3, I'm not gonna give it the other 0.7%, is because I haven't had the do-rags really long enough to test them against time, to test them to see how long it's gonna be before I may need another one, or how long it will be. But from what I've been told by other users of the do-rag itself, is that these rags really do last an extremely long time, and these people are still using the original rag that they bought. So that is a good sign. That's good information to have. The rags are called Imperial Durags. They're called Imperial Durags. So I really like these, man. Again, if you want to get at the guy, his name is B Webb. He makes these do-rags. I'm going to put his information down in the description below. Like I said, I got one on now. I just show it to you. This is my black one that I have on now. Look at that. Look at that, people. Let me just come in closer just so you can see. But that is actually the do-rag that I have on right now. This is one of the Imperial Durags. It's the black one. Like I said, it feels really good. The strings are long. The rag itself is silky. The material is a little bit thicker than normal to make sure that it's durable. They have wide strings. I mean, I can't really say too much anything else that's great about the do-rag. But the reason, like I said, the reason why I didn't give it a 10 is because I haven't had it really long enough. But I wanted you to hear about it, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I would definitely appreciate all of y'all coming here, you know, looking at the video. Make sure you get at this guy. Again, like, share, comment, and subscribe to your boy's channel. That is HB3 One Time. Again, HB3 One Time. I got more videos coming. Maybe we got an update coming up. May want to talk about some other things. It's your boy HB3. I'm out of here.